Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Microsoft Azure subscription with resource providers, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate your Microsoft Azure subscription with resource providers, first, log into the Azure portal. Use your Microsoft account credentials to access the portal. Once logged in, navigate to the subscriptions section from the left-hand menu. Select the subscription you wish to activate. On the subscription details page, locate the resource providers option. Click on resource providers to open the resource providers list. Here, you will see all the available resource providers for your subscription. Look for any resource providers that are in a not registered status. Click on the checkbox next to each resource provider you wish to register. Once you've selected the required providers, click on the Register button at the top of the page. You will receive a notification indicating that the registration process has been initiated. This process may take a few moments to complete. Refresh the page to check the status of your registration. Ensure that the status of the selected resource providers changes to registered. After all necessary providers are registered, you are ready to start using Azure. You can now create and manage resources in your Azure subscription. Confirm that your subscription is fully functional by exploring different services available in the portal. If you encounter any issues, return to the resource providers page to check for errors. Once everything is set up, proceed to deploy your applications or resources as needed. Your Microsoft Azure subscription is now activated with the required resource providers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.